Yo, what is going on? It is Monday, July 27th, 10:38 a.m. Today I did take one stupid ass trade, which I just went break even on late, and I ended up losing $133 because of the way that the candles moved in that literally 2 second time frame. So just very unlucky, very unfortunate. The trade was on my one alpha account that has like a fucked up consistency. So I was trying to take this short. Previous day low was like right here. Just go break even quick. I was on Alpha Trader, looked over to see if we had taken previous day low or not. I look over for 1 second, and yeah, then we were down 133. So let's see. So look, it didn't take it on MNQ, but it's. Are you serious? Oh my gosh. Wait, I have the recording. Now I have to pull up the recording. Now I have to get the recording from my trash. Yo, what the fuck? Nah, because this is ridiculous. Listen, I haven't touched anything. I have not touched anything. Wow, this is ridiculous. Now I gotta find the file. Wow, this is ridiculous. On everything I love. Wow, look. So I'm in right there. It never took it. And then I went break even. Then I was like, oh, did it go break even? And then I looked over. I went to go break even. I double checked. And I come back and look, we're down. And yeah. Wow, but look at that. Are you fucking serious? And now it shows that it's. Wow. Wow, what a shitty ass fucking company, man. Wow. But yeah, that's why I lost. Wouldn't have lost actually. Would have just been a pure break even. Because I seen that it didn't take it on M and Q, and I thought and I had to look over on my NQ. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So that's why I got break even. But other than that, the main trade that I did want today was this long up here. Once we filled NWOG, like once we would have filled NWOG, or just tapping out of NWOG, maybe a resweep in here to then get this long would have been the only play really. But I mean, we had NWOG below, like couldn't get there pre-market because we never got an entry unless I would have taken one of these gaps, which I'm not too fond of, TBH. Even still, if I would have tried to take one of those gaps, none of those would have ever amounted to anything. ES was in pretty decent correlation, just putting in like similar-ish SMTs. But yeah, other than that, throughout the whole day, they were both just in decent correlation. Nobody was really lagging behind or anything. We had like an external SMT, I believe, on the 4 hour coming into the day on the higher time frame, which was an indication that I believe we were gonna push lower. Like if we take a look, I mean, it was pretty clear. We had NWOG. Oh my gosh! Oh, like come on, come on, come on, charts. Then we had like this internal SMT, as you can see right here. Like we still had all of this above on NQ, but ES had already ran it out. But now it's kind of the opposite. Sucks, but damn, I'm still upset now that I see that. But other than that, really nothing on the day. Didn't try to get into anything other than this 1 minute that never amounted. None of this stuff meant anything. There was this 30-second gap out of a 5 minute, but look at the chop for the gap. I wasn't too crazy about this being a target. Like, nothing I'd take. I did take this. I should have been break even, but as you can see in that recording, this never took it right here. But when we go to Alpha Trader now, it took it. And you can see it's at the same position, 211.75. Oh, you can't see the numbers, but it's in the same spot. Look, we can even see. Look, let's go back because I want to prove that I'm right. 213, 212, 212.50. Wait, 212.50. I didn't touch nothing. Now it's saying this, the lowest of this candle was 211. Oh, see what I mean? Because look, when this candle closes, the lowest it went was 212.50. That's fucked. That's genuinely fucked. But yeah, you know what? I feel like sending out a ticket, like a support claim. I'm gonna probably do that. But yeah, that was it for the day. Here is the recap. Took that on trade one, only one alpha. Oh, shit, let me just put trade. It was only one alpha. I took 10 micros on it. Was risking 450. Here's that. But I'm really upset now. Now that really threw off my whole rhythm. Was a risky trade, not something that I see myself going to take often. But yeah, that's it. Peace, love, positivity. Thank you for tuning in.